No, thank you. No, I'm not going nowhere. I never got on your property. The whole thing's on record. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. You're acting stupid, sir. Just shut up. There's this furniture place that I've been wanting to hit right here, a furniture manufacturer. So let's get over here and see if they respect our First Amendment rights to take pictures in public. Please, everybody, while you're coming in, feel free to smash that thumbs up. Someone peeking through the window already. We just got here. He looks curious. Well, that was quick. He's telling me to come there, but I'm not going on their property. As you can see here, this is an easement cross through. Huh? What do you mean? What?
Not a public area over here.
This is a public road, right? Public sidewalk?
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. I can stand here and video. I'd rather not disclose the reasonings for my video. I'm doing an investigation. Is that enough for you?
What kind of investigation? Who are you? Give me your business card. Who are you?
No, thank you.
Get out my place.
No, I'm not going nowhere.
Sure?
Yes. You can call them and they'll educate you that this is a public easement.
Not a public area over here.
You can't trespass my eyes, bro. I can video anything I can see from public.
Not a public area.
This is a public area.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, but I can video anything I can see from public. Get it?
I've seen plenty of people that, do this on YouTube and then say what you're saying. I don't disagree with what you're saying. I know the law, like what you're saying. You're on a public road.
You should explain it to your buddy that's about to call the cops. He's about to waste tax dollars.
I understand that. No need to be, disruptive.
I'm standing here quietly.
Yeah. I mean, you can do what you want to do, but once you cross over here, you are on our property.
Yeah, I'm not crossing over there. I know exactly how that works. When? When was I on your property? You have to have a crosswalk. I never got on your property. The whole thing's on record. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupid. You're acting stupid, sir. Just shut up. I'm on public property, dude. You're acting dumb.
You're right. You're perfect on everything.
Thank you. There we go. All right, guys, here we go. There was one educated person, 3 uneducated. He was saying that I was over here in this area on their property. I was never. I only walked from this public easement right here across to the other public easement. So just in case that Daren did call, I'm gonna make sure and stick around for at least 20 minutes or so. This is Dixon furniture manufacturer. And wait till I show you all these torn up flags on these buildings, guys. It is just nasty. Tell me what y'all think about that. Shit, tell them what you think about that. Dixon Furniture Manufacturer. This is how they treat the flag here. Lots of cars coming and going. I would record all the cars coming and going, but I think this is gonna be even better to see our hard work in action here. Smash that thumbs up.
Why are you recording?
This is what I do, man. I'm recording you take down these flags. Okay? No. You're gonna get a new one? That's good. Those are torn and tattered. It's old, you know? All right, y'all, so there we go. The flags have been removed. Gracias! Flags have been removed. This company was a man of their word. They do have one goon for sure. There are two goons that work for them for sure. But for the most part, they did okay in the end here. In the beginning, not so okay. But hey, it all worked out. And we were able to get those old flags taken down, get some replacements, so we got some respect. And I'm guessing that the goons got an education. So overall, it was a win for the First Amendment. Let's go back over here, take a couple more pictures of this. Later on, brother.
Don't let those guys, like, I wish I would have just came out without those guys.
Yeah, me too, man, because I knew that you had sense, but the other guys were just,
Yeah.
if they're gonna be dumb, then I'm gonna let them be dumb for the camera, right?
Right. And I was just gonna ask, what are you recording? You don't have to share it.
Yeah.
Whether you're doing some study, whatever, I don't care. But
For sure.
I can ask.
Well, man, thank you for coming and making the company look better. You know what I'm saying? Really.
I'll say this place I've been working here for almost 4 years. Me personally, nothing but good things about this place.
Okay.
I like the people I work with. I like the people I work for, and a lot of cool stuff happens in here. So.
I mean, you educated those other guys though on what was going on, right?
Right.
All right, cool. So that's all. That's all that needed to happen, And really, I just noticed the flags were torn and tattered, and they were just really old. And so I was walking around to see if I would get contact, and then obviously I did. Okay. And then I allowed my viewers to call in and let everybody, let y'all know we needed to have them removed, And so they just took them down. The company was a man of their word. And so nothing but respect for you guys, man. Yeah. I'm glad that there was a good learning lesson for those guys in there,
Definitely.
So appreciate you. If you want to look it up, brother, it'll be on News Now Ninja.
All right.
It'll be on my channel.
Okay.
On YouTube.
Hey, the bread.
Thanks, bro. Thank you. All right. Well, there it is. What do y'all think about that? What do y'all think about that? That was beautiful. That was beautiful. Beautiful ending.